Canon's EOS Rebel T7 bundle pairs a high-resolution sensor with the 18 to 55mm image-stabilized lens, making it a strong starter kit for portraits, travel, and everyday photography. Image quality is impressive for this class, with pleasing color, solid low-light performance, and enough detail for large prints or heavy cropping when you get your shots right. The inclusion of both a full-size 60-inch tripod and a compact mini tripod gives you stable support whether you are shooting long exposures, video, or quick self-portraits. Wide-angle and telephoto converters, along with ultraviolet, circular polarizing, and neutral density filters, add creative flexibility for landscapes, reflections, and bright daylight scenes. Extra batteries, dual memory cards, and the wired remote release make this bundle well-suited for long outings or events where you cannot afford to run out of power or storage. The padded shoulder bag, cleaning tools, lens hood, and external flash round out the kit so that new photographers can head out and shoot immediately without needing to buy additional accessories.